All right, welcome back. This is going to be the last tutorial on our wireframing. So we're going to design the history pages for the messaging calls and that video call. So let's bring our label down. It's going to be the saved history. So under the saved history section, we'll design these three screens there. So we'll start with the call history. We'll start with the message history, where we have the list of people that consultant the user have under the message history. So we're going to make use of one of these screens on the previous lectures here. So let's see which one will be suitable for that. All right, we can make use of this particular one. Hotkey and you drag and take it down to history. Now we keep it here. So this is going to be for message history. Message history. All right. Now under the history, we're going to have like a navigation buttons that will enable them to easily switch between the histories, right? So I'm going to reduce the width of this a bit, then delete this and make 2 more copies. So one will be messaging, while the others will be call and video call. All right, so let's say this is the active page. This page is for message, right? So it's going to be active and we'll label that black on the field and change the text color to white. All right, so we edit this to the video voice call and the last one to video call. All right, so when we are done with that, we leave the search and the filter icon as it is, and this will also show the list of history we have. You can duplicate the last one to add one more to make it 5. So this is for the history. So here we change this to history and remove the navigation icon. All right, so we're going to bring one of the chat messaging box, this, okay, under the history. So we are going to duplicate that and bring it down. So this will be under the saved history. So where we'll have the messaging here, and there's going to be a list of conversation. I think there is one we have that has reply, right? Let's go and copy that instead. So let's remove this and bring the one that have reply and all that. So it's going to be under one of those screens, the one that have reply. Exactly. So this, let's copy that and take it down to our message save history. So we'll have something like this under the save history. So this is message. All right, so we have something like this that show the history of messages and all that. So we can also have icon here by the right of this message. So you keep it there. All right, so we are done with messaging. So now let's proceed to voice call. So under voice call, we're going to duplicate this and take it down for voice call. Okay, under voice call, so this is going to be voice call history. Alright, in the voice call history, we'll change this part and remove the fill and update the color back to black. Then the voice call is going to be active this time, so we add the fill to black and change the text to white. Okay, so we will have similar patterns, history of voice call and all that. Okay, then we'll have another screen that will show the history of that. So let's quickly copy this and bring it down. Then we change the label to voice call. Okay, now under voice call, we only have the user icon and all that, right? So here is going to be voice call. Then we have the user and the user description, that user detail. Then here, everything here will go. We'll delete that. Okay, we delete this as well. Then we'll have just button here. We'll have a button there that will say play recording and all that. Okay, play recording. We'll align that to the center of the frame. Okay, we can also have short text description under that. Okay, so there's alt key, then we just have short text description below that, before and all. So we align this to the center of the frame and leave it there. Okay, so now we are going to have add one more that will show maybe when the user is playing the voice recording, right? So here we'll have two buttons under. So let's bring this down and also bring this down. Okay, so then this button will go away and we'll replace it with the kind of waves. Okay, let's search for audio waves if we can get it from our component libraries. So I think we have it there, so we can add this into the frame. Okay, it's loaded. So now we have it added there, so we can have it somewhere around there. Okay, now make sure you align it properly to the center of the frame. I close it here, delete this part and just align it properly. So here we'll have option for them to pause and to stop. Okay, then we have here to stop. Okay, so let's change the fill of this to just dark. And also the secondary color here, dark. So we're done with the voice call screens. Now we'll go to the next one, which is going to be the video call, right? So alt key, then you drag down Then this time the active one is going to be the last one, which is the video call, right? So we update that. Here remove the fill and just change the text column to black. Then the video call will be active this time. We change it back to black and change the fill of the text to white. Okay, under video call we have similar history. Then the next screen here under video call, so we label this as video call history, video call history. Okay, so we select that frame and make a duplicate of it. Or instead of that, I think there is one of these that look like that. Okay, let's make a duplicate of this instead for the second screen of the video call. So you bring it down here, align it there, and here we'll change it to video call. Okay, so under video call we also have profile icon, short description, and here we also have play, recording, and all that. Then we'll have one more screen that will show the recording is playing. So here the same thing, we're gonna have a beach. Let's change here to video call, and here also to video call. Then the last screen on that video call here should have a beach image, right? So then we just bring the recording button. I think we're going to remove that one, so we just include two buttons that will show it is playing and all that. So here we delete this, and also delete this. Okay, so here we're going to insert image that will be on the background. So here we'll look for image, background image, and just include it there. So you can make use of any one of this, and take our scale tool, then we take it and size it very well and just put it here. So there's going to be a background image here. Then we'll have our video playing icon here. So aside from that, we also need two buttons that will show play and stop or pause. Okay, so select these two buttons, Alt key, then you drag and bring them inside this frame like this. Then we select this one and take it up. Okay, so here we'll have some text description, so you can copy this, bring it here and ungroup them. Then you just delete here and also delete here and also delete this one. Then ungroup this one and align them to the center, then take them up a bit. That will serve as a short text description of the image and all that, and there will be kind of video playing icon that will show in between. Okay, all right, congratulations, we are done with the wireframes. So if you have not been designing wireframe before, this is how you can design wireframe. You see how we break down the sections into categories. So now we follow each category that serve as a parent frame, and under each parent frame there are other sub screens that fall under the parent frame. So if you have any question, you can reach out to me via my email or drop comment in this video and I will locate you for assistance. Right, so when you take the preview, you see so far what we did from the first dashboard down to the rest. So we're going to follow these wireframes the way they are exactly to design our mobile application. All right, see you in the next lecture where we're going to start designing the prototype.